Hello friend, let's study the fourth letter in Malayalam alphabet. See the letter. It's interesting. Memorize the letter, don't you? Okay, now we may look into its pronunciation. Read these English words. Easy, Easter, east, eagle, eat. The sound of the letter E-A in the given examples is the pronunciation of the Malayalam letter. The sound is E. Now you understand the pronunciation of the Malayalam letter E. Could you pronounce it 3 times? E. 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 Yes, you could read the letter E. Well done. You are becoming a fast learner. Congratulations. Thank you for your wonderful time to learn one more language. See you in the next class.